Yo, free online money maker. Happy Cash Out Fridays, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Cash Out Fridays. Let's get it. You know how we do, people. You know how we do today, all right? Let's get it, all right? I got 10 accounts open right now. 10. All right, I got 10 accounts open right now. It's not going to be 10 cash outs. Calm down, people, all right? I'm not on that level yet. Not on that level yet, but it's always going to be a multiple cash out, people, all right? Here we go. I got 10 accounts, all right? Look. That's one. All right, like these accounts, people, look, diamond member, $12.10, people. Nothing's crazy, people. Nothing's crazy. Look, I got $3 here. All right, look at my lifetime. All right, people, look. So like I said, this is why I tell you how to put these accounts and put all of them together. This is why I tell you this, people, because I'm trying to really put this money in your pocket. Look, one survey is waiting. So you got to follow the steps, people. I put the steps. I gave y'all all the steps. I'm giving y'all all the tutorials. It's just up to y'all to watch them, master all the tutorials. Make sure you remember everything I say in the videos and just go and implement it. That's it, people. Just go and implement it. That's it. You see, like, it's not a joke, people. You got to just be relentless. You see, I got $48. I got $48.97 here. All right, people. So like I said, it's free online money. I got $2 in this account right here. All right. So like I said, it's really up to you, people, to really get focused. Really get focused. Really start understanding what's really happening. All right. You can really just do this until you have enough money to fund whatever you want to fund, and then get into it and then start, you know what I'm saying, change your life. Like, this is not a joke. All right, so the people that are not really focused on this are not really the ones that are persistent and could add up, you know, small payments and could make something really big and make something special out of it, right? So that's what I'm going to do. That's my goal. You see, I got different playlists all the time. Y'all know how I do. Y'all know how I do. I do not play. I'm super relentless, and I will not stop until I get what I need to get to. People, I will not stop. I will keep doing this every single day until I get to a point where I don't have to do this anymore. And I take this very seriously. See the countdowns going. All right, I take this very seriously, people. All right, so let's get into these cash outs. All right, happy Cash Out Friday. I hope everybody out there is cashing out every single day. All right, your hardest working day, should be every day. If anything, try to make it Thursday, but if anything, it has to be every day. You cannot take days for granted. That's another thing that I try to preach on my channel. I don't want nobody to take things for granted. Never take a day for granted. Never take none of these beautiful sites that pay you on your spare time while you just never take none of this for granted, people. Take advantage of every single thing you can. Stay-at-home moms, you gotta get up on this. You gotta get up on this. You got security jobs. You just sitting there in a cubicle all day, and you gotta come on now. I'm not saying that's what you're supposed to be doing on your job, but for real, come on now. You in a cubicle in an empty parking lot for like 8 hours. You gotta be doing this. It's free money. It's free online money. Y'all got to get focused. Y'all got to pay attention to what's really happening. I'll go to PayPal right here in the left-hand corner. I'm going to go to $10. I got $12 in there. So once I cash this out, I still have another $2 and some change. So that'll be pretty good. And like I said, look, it's just money. That timer is just identifies money coming in every single day. Like, this is what happens. This is what's going on. And like, you can do this, people. You can do this. Like, all you gotta do is get used to it. Try to start fitting it in your so-called busy schedule. Everybody's so busy, right? Your so-called busy schedule. Once you can fit it in there and you understand that you're making money, you understand that you're feeding your family with this money, you'll take it more serious. All right, so once you take it more serious, you're gonna make more money. Watch my Operation Z video. It's priceless. Another cash out. Happy Cash Out Friday, $10. 27th, 26th, 25th, 23rd. Skip the 24th. So I came back with a double banger right here. With a nice little $20 day right here. Alright, but I had to stretch that out because I missed the 24th. Look, over here, I missed the 21st, 22nd. See what I'm saying? Sometimes I just be falling asleep or I be working on other sites. So sometimes it happens. You see that? You see I got things playing left and right, people. All right, so really on your spare time, y'all got to get with it. Look, I got $3 in perk right here. Okay, I'm about to cash that out. I just don't want to mess this video up. All right, so I'm gonna cash this $3 out once I get off the video. So you might as well add that up on the $10. So that's a $13 day right there. $13 morning, early morning too, people. My bad. Look, 6:49 in the morning. I don't play games. 6:49 in the morning. I've been up since what, 4:50. Where we at? Can't excuse me. Can't cash out yet, but got a survey waiting. So as soon as I get off this, I'm gonna get up on this survey. I think I have enough to cash out Offer Nation. I do have enough to cash out Offer Nation. I'm gonna wait on this though. I'm gonna wait on this because I want to jump in here on my break time. See if I can jump in here on this. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna take this out, people. You know how I do. I gotta take this out ASAP. Matter of fact, let me scroll down and convert my points. It's Offer Nation, people. Offer Nation. All right, step 8, people. Y'all gotta get with it. Go back and watch the step 8 video. Get your bonus. Watch the step 8 video. Learn how to do it first. Don't just go there and sign up. You're going to get frustrated. Learn how to do it first. Watch my Offer Nation tutorial. Watch it, sign up, get your bonus, and then start going crazy. And every day you're going to cash out on this site. And this site you can cash out $1, a minimum, every day, anytime you want, $1. Up to $50 a day. So there's no excuse. Get $10. Get $20 a day. That's $600 a month, every month. Like, y'all got to do the math. Y'all got to do the math. All right, let me convert my points. 190. 190.94. Click convert to cash. My bad, people. I just got my tablet, like, in the way a little bit. That's why it looks like this. Okay. All right, converted $3.02. Beautiful. Offer Nation, people. This is what I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all gotta get. I only come in here and put like 50 cents a day, people. I be so busy. I got other things to do. I told you, once you have so many different accounts, you could just pick one that you just make sure you cash out in every day, and then the other ones you could just sprinkle a little bit in every single day, and the next thing you know, you're gonna be cashing out every day. Every day you're gonna be cashing out from left and right, and it's not even gonna bother your day because you're gonna be used to it. You're gonna start blending it into your day. All right, I'm cashing out. I don't play no games. We out of here. Withdraw, 2 clicks and you're done. 2 clicks and it's flying to PayPal right now. This is why it's beautiful. 2018, people, y'all gotta take advantage. Super Pay, all right, let me convert my points right here, 6.50. This is my overseas site, people. Y'all gotta go here. All my overseas members, you gotta be on here. Look, you could change your language. You could change your language, all right, people? All right, I got a lot of videos finishing. All right, convert to cash, 72 cents. Like I said, I only come in here and do a little bit. I don't mind, people. I do not mind. I have so many accounts, it doesn't bother me. But guess what? You could cash out at $1. This is $1 cash out. So once this gets to $1, I'm gonna just cash out. Why not? It's free. It's free money, people. Free. I don't think I understand that. Look, $2.79. I get paid to listen to music. People get paid to listen to music. I'm telling you, it's just too beautiful. $2.79 right there. Cash out at $10. So I got to get in here and put some work in. All right. And I still got 2 more other accounts. All right. So y'all got to do your thing. It's Happy Cash Out Friday. All right. Do your thing, people. Look, do your thing on your spare time. Do what you got to do on your spare time, people. It's absolutely free. Like, why not? Why not? Look, all I do, I just be running these ads, playing what I gotta play, and that's it. Every single day, that's all I do. All right, that's all I do. All right, I'm gonna have a video coming up. It's gonna be a step 9 video. All right, it's gonna be a step 9 video. I could do it right now, but I could actually do it right now. I'm gonna take you there right now. All right, this is gonna be step 9. All right, let me just integrate this video. All right, like I said, I got a lot of things to do today, so let me just integrate this video now for you. All right, this is gonna be a step 9. All right, InstaGC. All right, this is gonna be the name of the site. InstaGC. It's for my U.S. members only. Okay, InstaGC, U.S. members only. Okay, I have something from my overseas. All right, so if you're from overseas, all right, if you are from overseas, different country, all right. You could come here, go to SurveySavvy. All right, my 2 links are both going to be in the description. One's going to say international. That's going to be for everybody overseas. All right, SurveySavvy, step 9. Step 9, people. It's Happy Cash Out Friday and step 9 in Beginner's Blueprint. Okay, people, I'm not playing with my videos. I'm trying to be more hybrid and start cramming videos in one, so that way everybody can learn and get some knowledge and everybody can do what they got to do. All right, people, it's free online money. It's step 9. All right, people, so step 9 for my overseas members, go to SurveySavvy. You can make money on there. All right, for my U.S. members only, go to InstaGC. InstaGC step 9. All right, for my U.S. members, do what you gotta do. Get this money in your spare time. Watch my tutorial. I'm gonna have 2 tutorial videos in the description. I'm gonna have those links in the description. You can watch those videos. All right, there's not gonna be no tutorial. I'm just showing you where to go. All right, but like I said, it's rinse and repeat for most of these sites. And over here for my overseas members for SurveySavvy, all you have to do is check your check to see if you have any surveys. Look how many I got. I'm so busy, I don't have time to do them. I gotta do it. Look at $7, people. I have 2 $7 surveys. They say take 10 minutes and one takes 60 minutes. This 60 minutes, I'm probably gonna have to watch a show. Watch a 1 hour show for $7. Like, you have to understand the power of these surveys, people. Do this on your spare time. Look, I have another one for $3 for 20 minutes. So I have to get in here. I just be so busy, I don't have time to get in here. But this for my overseas members. All right, SurveySavvy. Get your bonus. The link's going to be in the description. Excuse me. Watch my watch the tutorial video, people. Watch the tutorial. But this one, you don't really need a tutorial for my overseas members. Once you sign up, all you got to do is just check your invitations. Just check here and check your email. They're going to send you by email. That's all you have to do. If this is empty, that means you have no surveys. But usually this is always going to have something for you. And the more you do, the more you're going to get. All right, so SurveySavvy. All right, for my overseas members. And for my U.S. members, it's InstaGC. InstaGC for my U.S. members only. All right, people. So like I said, get in here, do what you got to do. All right, do what you got to do. It's rinse and repeat. I'm going to have the links to sign up and get your bonus for InstaGC. And I'm going to have the link for SurveySavvy. All right, and I'm going to have the 2 links for the SurveySavvy from the SurveySavvy tutorial. And I'm going to have a link for the InstaGC tutorial. All right, I have 2 tutorial videos. All right, I'm going to put both links in the description. I'm going to put both links to sign up and get your bonus. People, you got to get with it on your spare time. Start doing this every day. Do not, oh, I'm going to do this today and do this next week. No, every single day do something. Even if you get a quarter or 50 cents, it's just do it. It's every day to put money in your pocket. And once you understand you're feeding your family, you're feeding your kids, you're feeding your loved ones with this money, you're investing in your future, you're trying to quit your job, you got to take this serious. Once you take it serious, you're going to make more money. All right, so watch my Operation Z video. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. Best video out so far. All right, people, so like I said, it's free online money. Do what you got to do. Step 9, InstaGC for my U.S. members only. Overseas members, SurveySavvy. All you have to do, it's so easy. All you have to do is check your invitations and check your email. That's all you have